Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and please don't come for my nails. I know they are not the best because you all know right now we are quarantining. So I want to show you guys how to clean your false lashes. So first I have like a pair of my false lashes here. It's really dirty. And this is the other pair. This lash is from Miss Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be cleaning these two so they could look like this. Okay, let's get into the video. I have my micellar water to clean the lashes. I also have some soap dish here. I also have like a little transparent bowl where I'm gonna get my hot water in it right now. Yeah, the water doesn't need to boil. I have my spooky brush here. I have a pair of tweezers. I have some cotton bud here. So next I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you all are seeing this. Yeah, I'm gonna put in some drops. Yep. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stir it up. Next, I'm gonna pick up my pair of lashes. I love these lashes so much. Like I've been using it like for a very, very long time. So I'm gonna pick it up like this. Yep, you can see, like you could see everything on the lashes right now. I'm gonna drop it in there, like, get in, come on, get in. And the next, I'm gonna do the same with this pair. I'm gonna drop it in there, get in. Same with this. So that it keeps the shape of the lashes. So I'm just gonna leave this to soak in. I think you guys can see. Ooh, this water is hot. I'm just gonna leave this to soak in for like 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm gonna show you the next step, what we are gonna do to our lashes, because we need our lashes to be looking the bomb. We need our lashes to be looking bad and bushy like this. We don't want any glue or accumulated stuff on our lashes.
Oh my god, you guys, some berries.
You're gonna sit in for like 10 to 15 minutes. This should take off all the makeup and mascara and all the glitters and all other stuffs we have on these lashes. Next, I'm still gonna hold my lash band down again and make sure I run my spoolie through this lashes. And again guys, you want to hold your lash band down so that you don't rip the lashes, because right now they are so delicate. When they are wet, they are even more delicate. So I'm just going to brush it off, like you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to brush it off.
I'm gonna do the two pairs of lashes in here. Make sure, okay, like you see I'm holding the lash band down. I'm gonna do that to the back down.
Next guys, I'm gonna show you, please don't come for me, like I got this burn. I know you guys have seen this. I got this burn while I was trying to fry pancakes in a pot instead of a pan. And so you comment below and let me know how many of you had an accident like this and what you are actually doing. So now I'm just gonna take the lashes, like you see, okay, the glue is already coming out, and I'm gonna hold my pair of tweezers. You wanna be very careful around the lash line. Like you guys, the glue is getting off. So we're gonna do that gently for all the two pairs of lashes. Hold this down so I don't ruin it, because right now the lashes are super delicate, so I don't want to rush. I don't want to ruin the band. It's getting off. Are you seeing this guys? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Like when you look closely, you're going to see some glue is still there. I'm just gonna scratch this off gradually. Make sure you hold the lash band so you don't rip your lashes off. Okay. My lashes are all brand new. So guys, you can see right now, this is how much glue we got off 2 pairs of lashes. Okay, now I got some clean water. I got my lashes. I got my lash trays. I'm gonna leave them to dry in the lash tray because I want to keep the foam in which the lashes are. Now that I've rinsed my lashes, I'm gonna pick them up and put it there. I'm gonna leave my lashes here for like 15 seconds so the tissue can actually get some water off it. And then I'm gonna pick up my lash tray and I'm gonna put the lashes to get dry on the lash tray so as to maintain the shape of the lashes. Like you guys can see how clean my babies are.
Some magic. You? Magic Charles. It says talent show.
I'm gonna do same for this other pair. Last, I'm gonna brush out my lashes. Like I just need them to have the shape I want them to have when they're dry. I'm gonna brush it out. I'm gonna brush them out. And guys, this is the final look of my lashes and they're all clean. I'm just gonna leave them there to see them dry for like 2 to 3 hours. I think so. Thank you all for watching and I hope you're gonna subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like, to share, to comment on the video, and please give my video a thumbs up if you learned something from this. And also please let me know in the comment section below if you did this, if you use this method to get your lashes clean. Let me know and how it works for you. Thank you all so much and I love you. Bye.